My garage is my happy place.
A garage is a space with endless possibilities.
There's definitely some really cool garages out there.
People are saying, where are you gonna put the cars? That's like nauseating to me, putting a car in here.
Neighbors come in and just be like, oh my God, I didn't realize this is what you do in here. This is amazing.
I can build it exactly how I want to.
My name is Ashley Marie. I make all natural handmade soap and skincare right here in my garage in St. George, Utah, and it's been almost 5 years since I've been here. I started making soap as a hobby. I had never made soap in my life. I didn't even know the first thing about it, and I taught myself how to make it. I remember my first batch. It was so rewarding. It was so exciting to see that I had actually made soap. I decided to start selling it on Facebook in my hometown. The first post I ever posted on Facebook or announcing that I had handmade soap, I sold out in like 24 hours. I started making more and more, and then I made a logo and a website, and I started posting on Instagram. I realized that I could actually do this. Finally, one day I woke up and I'm like, I'm tired of my 9-to-5 job, and I am ready to branch out, take a risk, and step out of my comfort zone and start a business. I had this empty space that I wasn't using, and it kind of just started coming together like a puzzle. I didn't really plan out something or map it out or write on a piece of paper how my garage was going to be set up. I went to a restaurant supply store and bought some stainless steel tables. They're super easy to wipe off and clean with all the oils that spill on them and stuff. I bought these shelves in the back on Craigslist, sanded them and painted them. I redid all the top shelving, and I just started setting them up wherever they fit in my garage. I needed a shipping area, and since this area was already full of curing racks and shelves for soap, this was already full of my soap making kitchen area, then I decided my shipping area was going to be in the back wall over there. Working in my garage gives me way more control over my business. It's a lot more affordable because I don't have to pay for a different facility to make my products in. I love how easy it is to just come in here and not have to drive anywhere to go to work. Sometimes at night, just walk in here and look around and to see my shelves and see how they're all organized and check on things. My garage door opener has a camera on it, and it allows me to see what's going on in my garage, even when I'm not home. It brings me a lot of confidence that I'm safe and that my products and my business are safe inside here. Sometimes I receive huge orders of oil, big barrels of oil arrive on pallets, and I'm not home. And as soon as the delivery truck arrives, I can just click a button and the garage door opens. As my business has expanded, I hired a couple women that help me. They only work part-time. Annie is my #1 helper. I don't know what I would do without her. She's seriously a blessing in my life, and she helps me package all the orders. She's now able to make lip balm, face serum. She can make lotion bars. So while she's doing that, I'm making handmade soap. I have 28 different scents, and each year it just improves more and more. I get way better at my soap crafting skills, and now I can do lots of swirls in different colors, and I've slowly incorporated other body products like bath bombs and body butter, lotion bars, lip balms, and face serums. I even have a beard oil. I spend a lot of time coming up with the different recipes. It's like making a cake, you just follow a recipe, add all the ingredients at the proper time, and mix it and pour it. Everything is based on weight, so your recipe is really important. The main 5 oils that I use are olive oil, coconut oil, shea butter, avocado oil, and castor oil. So I use those 5 main oils. Mix all those oils together. Then you just get your lye, the lye solution, which is sodium hydroxide. It's really dangerous. So I use the proper safety gear. Then you pour in the lye, and you can add your essential oils. You can add your natural colors like a pink kaolin clay. So there's tons of different herbs and botanicals that you can use to color soap. Once it reaches trace, which means when the soap's starting to set up a little bit, then it starts going through a chemical process called saponification, and it's starting to set up. So you pour it in your molds. It takes 24 hours for it to go through a complete saponification, which is when sodium hydroxide molecules mix with the oil molecules and it turns it into soap. And the next day the soap is ready to be cut. It takes a few weeks for the soap to cure. Once the soap is cured, then it's time to package it. It's so rewarding to make products that people use and love.
Hello everybody, it's Ashley with Ashley Murray Soap.
I love to teach how to make soap. I don't feel like I'm afraid of competition or giving away my secrets, teaching them some of the tips and tricks and things like that that will better their skills. I love making live videos and doing live Q&As and just answering people's questions. I like to say that I get my inspiration from nature that's right outside my front yard. My garage door opens right up to a beautiful river. I love all the fresh air that comes in. Sometimes I work before the sun comes up, so I'll be in my garage working when the sun is rising and it's super beautiful. When I'm out there, I look at the different natural colors and I have so much gratitude for where I live. And I love being out there. I feel like I'm free and I feel so inspired, and it gives me energy to come back and keep creating and keep coming up with things. I mostly just have fun with this business. It's a lot of work. Sometimes it's overwhelming and I want to give up sometimes and wonder what the heck I'm doing, but it feels so good knowing that I'm needed, my product is wanted, people love what I'm doing, and being able to work out of my garage and run my own business is one of the most fulfilling things that I've done with my life.